Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can sell cryptos on crypto.com. So in order to sell cryptos on crypto.com, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, open up or log into your crypto.com account. Once logged in, tap the trade icon located in the top left hand side corner. Next page. As soon as you do that, a drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to go ahead and tap the sell button. As you click the sell button, it's going to ask you what type of cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So select the type of cryptocurrency that you want to sell. And here you'll need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. And also you'll need to set up a fiat wallet. If you've not set up a fiat wallet, then you'll need to begin from the very first step. And after that, enter the amount, click the sell button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a confirmation. So go through all of the review. Make sure to review all of the information you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click the confirm button. And in no time, you'll also receive a statement stating that you've successfully sold Bitcoin on your crypto.com. So in this way, you can sell crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.